I don't know if anybody else has a fridge like this, but I always keep my tobacco in here because, you know, it keeps fresh longer. We got our beers down here. We got our non-beers right here. And then, of course, we got our 3 hot sauces. We got some Habanero Ghost, El Yucateco. We got some Da Bomb Beyond Insanity, and then we got some Blair's Megadeth sauce. You know what I mean? Pretty average, just basic, you know, stocking methods here. But that's how I keep my mini fridge in my garage. What's yours look like?